What if the future of pediatric care were a blank canvas? A story waiting to be told, a picture of hope yet to be drawn. In our first 100 years at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta, we've witnessed miraculous moments, and our vision for the future is even greater because we know that every child deserves children's.
To best meet the needs of Georgia's kids, we needed a game-changing facility in terms of both capacity and capabilities. From the beginning, we set out to learn from the best in healthcare, hospitality, and technology. The best path forward became clear.
We developed the very best option for the long-term inpatient needs for children's, which we are announcing to you today, and that is to build a new hospital at North Druid Hills.
In the fall of 2014, we took the first step toward making this vision a reality. A team of real and imaginary heroes helped us take down the old Bell South Tower. With that, our Cape Day tradition was born, and we'd officially begun the first phase of construction on the campus. We started with the Center for Advanced Pediatrics. Then came the Support Center, the home of more than 2,500 employees. We enlisted help from the clinicians who would call the hospital home. Using their insights, we created Cardboard City, which brought blueprints of the hospital to life. We had a plan, and it was time to begin building the crown jewel of our North Druid Hills campus, the hospital. We broke ground in February of 2020. Within our foundation, the team jumped into the official launch of the Never Settle campaign. Through that, a transformative $200 million donation from Arthur Blank ignited a swell of support from the community that paved the way for our dream to become reality.
It's a great honor for me to be connected to a system that has dealt with research, illness, disease, of the most precious commodities that we have in the world, and that's our children.
In May of 2022, we reached the highest point of construction, the 19th floor, and celebrated with a topping out ceremony. One by one, the final construction milestones were completed. Our honorary construction managers were there for the emotional moment that Arthur Blank, our hospital's namesake, first saw his name affixed in white letters. By spring 2024, the more than 2 million square foot facility was complete. Throughout the summer, our hospital planning team coordinated dress rehearsals and simulations that tested workflows with multiple teams. Just days before it was set to officially open, Hurricane Helene unleashed fury on Georgia. Through it all, our determined team rallied. Less than 48 hours before patients would start arriving, we held a ribbon-cutting ceremony with Arthur Blank and his family. On Sunday, September 29th, Atlantans awoke to clear skies and warm fall temperatures. At Eggleston, staff reported for their final shift at a place that will forever hold a special place in the hearts of many. Together, they would help prepare more than 170 patients for transit.
The patient move has officially begun.
At 7 a.m., the emergency department at Arthur M. Blank Hospital officially opened and received its first walk-in patients shortly thereafter.
I'm pleased to announce that we have officially closed the Eggleston Emergency Department and opened the emergency department at Arthur M. Blank Hospital.
A short while later, the first patient, 8-year-old Brittany, was on her way from Eggleston. Our detailed minute-by-minute plan was underway. By early afternoon, patients from Scottish Rite Hospital had joined the move. Before sunset, the last patient arrived to an enthusiastic welcome. Our carefully planned caravan of 65 ambulances had delivered our precious cargo, which included 2 patients on ECMO, an advanced form of life support. It took just 10 hours, and we had 0 safety events. Thanks to meticulous planning, dedication, and skill, 202 patients had been safely transferred from Eggleston and Scottish Rite. What started as a vision more than 10 years prior had become a reality. History had been made.
Weeks from now and years from now, decades from now, I hope that every single person in this room and many more, when they're driving down I-85 and they get a glimpse of that hope and will, that you'll be able to reflect on the fact that you were part of doing something really great for the citizens of this state and building this amazing facility that will have tremendous, tremendous impact.